As Europe gets ready to unveil its Capital Markets Union plan next week, Financial Services Commissioner Jonathan Hill said he wants banks to play a pivotal role. Speaking at the European Banking Federation annual conference on Thursday, Hill stressed that the so-called CMU will complement, not replace, bank funding.
The banking system makes a vital contribution to Europe's economy, to local communities, and I want to keep it that way. So I see that developing our capital markets is a way of complementing existing sources of bank funding, not replacing them.
The proposal aims to create a more integrated capital markets across the 28-nation bloc by reducing fragmentation in financial markets, diversifying and improving access to finance for businesses. EU bankers meeting at the conference in Brussels downplayed industry's fears that the proposal will damage the sector.
Capital Markets Union is about equity finance, and banks have the knowledge to bring people and businesses who require equity to equity providers. So we are a competitor there. So we need to design our business model in such a way that we can also bring together clients and providers of equity.
The conference also discussed how the banking sector will adapt to the new digital era. The European Banking Federation presented a blueprint on digital banking and called for banks to be a centerpiece in the EU's digital single market. Hill also promised to regulate the industry in a proportionate way, but warned that the age of irresponsibility is over.
My approach will be to work with you in the shared knowledge, to quote Mark Carney, that the age of irresponsibility is over. I want a competitive banking sector that supports growth and benefits society. A diverse banking sector.
According to David Wright, a former Commission official, bankers that misbehave should be punished with tougher sanctions and be sent to jail.
People working in the industry have got to know that if they misbehave or if there is massive scandal which they're a part of, they're going to go to jail. So we have got to have proper behaviour in this industry, not just the banking industry, the whole financial industry. And if we do, confidence will come back. People will invest, banks will be able to lend, investors will invest, and the whole economy will be able to be financed in a much more optimal way.
European Commission President Jean-Claude Juncker has made the CMU one of his main priorities in an attempt to reactivate Europe's slow economy.